First, can you tell me your name, please?
My name is Hiroko Suzuki.
Okay, very, very good. And where do you live?
I live in Shirogane.
Shirogane. Oh, very, very
Minato.
good. Do you like Shirogane?
Of course, I like it here. And Shirogane is very convenient to going shopping and going traveling and so on.
Oh, that's very. So, where do you usually go shopping?
Always I'm shopping to Ginza.
Ginza.
Yes.
Wow, very expensive.
No.
No.
Cheap Ginza.
Oh, okay. So you go to cheap stores in Ginza.
Cheap stores in Ginza. Many cheap stores.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, very, very good.
For example. And there are cheap stores
in Ginza.
Yes.
That's very, very good.
Yes.
And by the way, what do you do?
I'm a tax accounting.
Oh, tax accountant.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yes.
So do you like your job?
Yes, because tax accountant, that job fit for me.
Okay.
Because the job is very regular tasks and not confused for me.
Okay.
Very simple.
Very
tasks.
simple. Okay, that's very, very good. Okay. And how long have you been working as accountant?
About 10 years.
About 10 years.
Yes.
Wow, very, very good. What did you do before that?
Before accountant, before I'm accountant, I teaching organ.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's very, very good.
Yes.
Okay.
Hammond organ.
Sorry?
Hammond organ.
Oh, okay. Very, very good.
Yes.
Do you still play the organ?
Yeah.
Where?
I played organ in the church now, St. Paul Church at Meguroku Gohomi.
Okay, very, very good. Okay. By the way, but why do you study English?
It's very difficult question.
Oh, that's a very difficult question. Okay.
I'm trying to write a thesis at Rikyo University, graduate university, and about church music.
About church music.
Yes.
So you go to graduate school.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And how many more years do you have?
1 year.
One more year.
No, first grade.
Okay, this is your first year.
Yeah.
Okay. Very, very good. I see. Okay. So before you came to this seminar, what was your impression of this seminar?
Before.
Before. Yes.
Before. I think this seminar is very, very high hurdle.
Okay.
And I had to speak only English.
English.
So I'm very, very awful to get there.
Oh, to come
Yeah,
here.
come
Okay,
here,
okay.
yes.
And then you came here.
Came here, and opened the door. Teacher is very good gentleman.
Good looking.
Good. Yes, good looking. And very feeling me safe.
Okay.
And he speaks first time in Japanese. It's very good for me.
Okay, very, very good.
Yes.
And okay, so you took the seminar, and what did you learn in this seminar?
I learned this seminar. It is very it is very important to speak and thinking in Japanese.
In Japanese.
Yes.
Okay.
And so I try to practice simple Japanese and simple English.
Very, very good. Okay. Can you tell me what do you think about this seminar after finishing the seminar? Like, do you feel any changes before and after?
I want to change.
You want to change?
I want to change.
Yeah.
And before this seminar, I don't like English speak out, English conversation. But after this seminar, I like to speak out English
More.
more.
Very, very good.
So I try to practice and practice. Practice,
Okay,
yes.
okay. So to do that, okay, to be able to accomplish, reach your goal, what do you have to do now?
I have to do. I have to do write and speak out and refrain.
Okay. How often?
I try to twice a week.
Twice.
Yes. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
That's 3 days a week.
3 times.
Okay, 3 times a week.
Yes.
How long?
How long? Maybe 1 hour.
Okay.
Max.
Okay. Can you promise? Pinky promise. Okay, very, very good. Thank you very much.